Hey guys, this is my bike check for a 2013 Sunday Lichtenberger Pro. Let's start on the bars as Sunday yellow grips, cut the flanges off. IC monolever, medium, linear quick slick cable, and the Sunday Triumph XL replica bars. The frame, fork, and bars are all full chrome moly. And Sunday free stem, top load of course. I have a Odyssey Bandera 2 front hub with Odyssey quadrant rims on both ends and the new Chase Hawk tires. I really like these tires because they grip really well in skate parks and they're really fast. This one's a 2.40, back's 2.20. I put some salt pegs on here from that We the People Trust back there, and they were working pretty well. There's the new Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. Well, they're a year old, but pretty new. Sunday Sabertooth sprocket, 28 tooth. A KMC K510HX chain. An Odyssey Quartet rear hub. It's new. It's like a improvement of the Hazard V3. Odyssey Evo 2 brake, convertible post, has the Lichtenberger Odyssey Senior 2 seat, tan twisted PC pedals. And well, that's my bike. Hope you like it. I really do. Subscribe.